Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks the flow. Make sure your account, API keys, and billing are active, and that any virtual SIM or IMSI is provisioned. Next, confirm the target device supports the virtual 5G Express profile and update firmware where necessary. Finally, prepare the network configuration, define IP ranges, DNS, firewall rules, and monitoring endpoints. So once you push the profile, the environment accepts connections immediately, and you avoid time-consuming rollbacks. Now deploy the virtual 5G Express core and configuration. Use the console or API to upload the profile, validate the schema and any cryptographic signatures. This prevents runtime failures. Once uploaded, assign the profile to your target endpoints and watch for OTA activation flags to confirm the device accepted it. Then configure quality of service, network slices, and routing policies so traffic follows intended paths. Run controlled traffic tests to measure latency and throughput, and iterate on policy tweaks until metrics meet your objectives. Finish by running full integration tests that include handovers, latency, throughput, and security validations so you confirm real-world behavior. Monitor logs and KPIs continuously, and make sure a rollback plan with the previous stable profile is ready in case of regressions. When you see issues, first check certificate chains, API authentication, and SIM provisioning states because these account for most failures. Then inspect routing and firewall rules. Once stable, document the configuration and schedule periodic revalidation to catch drift over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.